Hi, this is Level 1 Fluency Skills from the Treble piano programme. 3 right-hand notes, C5, D5 and E5. The 5 shows that this is the note that is the 5th C from the lowest C on a standard piano. C5 sounds like this. Match the sound on your instrument. D5 and E5. This piece uses a crotchet which has a filled-in head and has 1 count. It also uses a minim which has an open head and has 2 counts. There are 4 counts in a bar, so we'll count 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. For more details on my programme, the Treble piano programme, please see the description below. Thank you. Keep practicing.